Clean eating. What is it? Why you should try it? And what is a clean eating meal? Welcome everyone to my channel, Health, Weight, and Real Talk, where we talk about all aspects of health, your internal health and your outside health, and your weight. Today I want to talk to you about clean eating. Now, I never heard of this term until Christmas Day when a relative of mine told me that she starts the new year by doing clean eating. I did a little research on my own. I found out what clean eating is. I'm going to read from my notes. Clean eating usually requires eating unprocessed and unrefined products such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and other foods that don't contain artificial ingredients or preservatives. I also discovered that clean eating also requires that you eat food that with ingredients that you can pronounce, you can recognize, and are less than 5 on a box. So I have one of my recipes I'm going to share with you. I used whole grain spaghetti. On the back of the box, it has ingredients, whole wheat flour. That's it. So if you want to do clean eating, and even though the box says low fat, if the ingredients are 10, 12 letters long and you don't recognize them and you can't pronounce them, I know it says low fat, but don't put that part of your clean eating plan. Now, clean eating can be just for a little while, like I'm doing it. I'm doing it from the 3rd. I started it last Thursday, and I'm going to end it Wednesday, a week. But if you really want to get into it for the new year, if you want to do it for a month, I'm going to leave a link down below of a 30-day monthly clean eating challenge, and it gives you the recipes. And when you go on that website, you can click the link to the recipes and you can go shopping. You do everything you want. Now, if you don't want to do that, I'm going to put another link. It just has a shopping list. So if you can just make your own recipes from the shopping list. So I'm going to, for the people who want to go hardcore, I'm going to put down the 30 days. People just want to, just ease into it, see what it is. I'm going to put the shopping list and the links in the descriptions below. I'm going to share with you also 2 clean eating recipes that I did, and they are delicious, and I'm going to eat them after I finish this challenge. They have ingredients. The ingredients are not something you have to go to a specialty store to get. You probably already have them in your house, so if you don't, just go to your local supermarket and get them. I'm sure a lot of supermarkets have whole grain, because I just got this at a local supermarket, and I didn't think I would like whole grains, but I love whole grains. Anyway, here are the 2 recipes. One is a salad, and one you could use for dinner, for a family, or for just yourself. I hope you enjoy.